YouTube TV lets you create separate kids' profiles so children can watch age-appropriate content. Here's how to set it up step by step. Step 1. Open YouTube TV on your smart TV, streaming device, mobile device, or web browser. Step 2. Tap or click your profile icon and select Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Add Profile or Manage Profiles. Step 4. Choose Kids Profile when creating a new profile. Enter the child's name and select an avatar if desired. Step 5. Set content restrictions. You can limit shows and channels based on age ratings to ensure safe viewing. Step 6. Save the profile. The kid's profile will now appear on the profile selection screen when starting the app. Step 7. Switch to the kid's profile whenever your child wants to watch. Recommendations and DVR recordings will now be filtered for age-appropriate content. Step 8. Manage existing kids' profiles by going back to Settings Greater Manage Profiles. You can edit or delete profiles as needed. Creating kids' profiles ensures a safe viewing environment for children while keeping your own account content separate. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.